Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access bookmarked web pages on Safari. So let's jump right in. First, open the Safari app. Tap on the bookmark icon from the bottom of your screen. Next, in the bookmark menu, you will see various options. Tap on the favorites option. Here, you will find a list of all your bookmarked web pages. Simply tap on any one of the bookmarks to open the corresponding web page. And this is how you can access bookmarked web pages on Safari. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.